Welcome everyone, Chris Lambert here. Welcome back to my what I'll call my Wednesday series unboxing channel or series. So I got some more boxes. I found one right here. I thought was for my computer, but that's not what I bought it for. So let's start with this first one. My LG camera is full. I'm using my Samsung S21 Ultra. It's shut off, so I had already opened this, but here we go. Let's start with this box first. I got about 3 seconds in it, and my Samsung shut off. My LG is very dependable. Samsung is very touchy and hard to get. It's much harder to use the video and take pictures on the Samsung. It was just like one screen on the LG. So here we go. We gotta learn to not put my costumes in white garbage bags anymore, because they might tend to get thrown away, and that's what happened with this one. And who knows what else was in that bag. I've since decided to buy more Walmart shopping bags for $1 or $2. This one's coming apart already, but you can see in here, this is the Wednesday Nevermore Academy suit. Here we have the blouse. It's probably can't see, it's black and gray striped, and of course taking it apart more. But here's a skirt, different type of stripe. Here's the tie. And then, of course, we have a sweater. And we have a shirt. So that's the Wednesday 2022 Netflix TV series Nevermore Academy uniform in a size medium as requested. Made in China. I got this one. Amazon Prime. I'm starting to see these things pop up on Amazon Prime now, which I'm really happy about. Next, I thought I bought this maybe for my laptop, and it is for a laptop, but this is actually for Uncle Fester. And Uncle Fester in the movie carries a large, looks like a large leather bag, maybe a mailman bag they call it, or some people call it a merce, a men's purse as a joke. So he carries this, and I assume he carries his clothes in it and other things he needs for travel. So I won't take it out of here, but yes, this is the one I picked out. He carries a pretty big leather bag with his, along with his overcoat and his hat. And then we have one more item. Not related to the Wednesday series, but I had one of these a long time ago, and it's popped up so on Amazon, so I thought I'd get one just to have on hand. Shipped in a pretty big box. Let's get this paperwork. Now this is kind of oval shaped. It's a tire knocker. Hopefully it's a hardwood tire knocker. Knock your tires with that. Check and see if they're low or not. I mean, that's what at least they say it's for. So, could be used for protection. So there we go. We got the Uncle Fester mailman bag, and the Wednesdays, what do you call it? I think it says made in China. Wednesdays from Leo Soul. This one is. They come from different companies. Different companies sell them. I don't know if the same company makes it. Different companies sell it. That's a Wednesday Nevermore Academy school uniform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll have even more of these Halloween costume contest costumes coming up in the future for our 2023 costume contest. So please like, subscribe, trying to get up to 10,000 subscribers, and thanks for watching.